Good morning, everyone. This is Sachin Fiske from Electrical Engineering Department, SND College of Engineering and Research Center. In the previous lecture, we discussed some part related to introduction of Scada system. Now we are moving towards what exactly this Scada can do for us. So the Scada, what is exactly the Scada stands for? I discussed previously. It is basically supervisory control and data acquisition system. SCADA is not a specific technology, but the type of the application. SCADA stands for Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition System. Any application that gave the data about a system in order to control the system is a SCADA application. A SCADA application has two elements. Number one, the process, system, machinery you want to monitor a control. This is a power plant, a water system, and a network, a system of traffic light or anything else. A network of intelligent devices that interfaces with the first system through sensor and control output. This network, which is the SCADA system, gives you the ability to measure and control the specific element of the first system. You can build a SCADA system using several different kinds of technologies and protocols. This white paper will help you to evaluate your option and decide what kind of SCADA system is best for your needs. So the next point is, where is this SCADA used? You can use the supervisory control and data acquisition system to manage any kind of the equipment. Typically, SCADA systems are used to automate a complex industrial process where the human control is impractical. System where there are more control factors and more fast moving control factors or that human being can comfortably manage. Around the world, this SCADA system controls electric power generation, transmission, and distribution. These electrical utilities use SCADA system to detect the current flow and line voltage, to monitor the operation of the circuit breaker, and to take section of the power grid online or offline. Then water and sewage. State and municipal water utilities use the SCADA to monitor and regulate water flow, reservoir level, and pipe pressure and other factors. Also, the building facilities and environment, that is, the facility managers uses SCADA to control HVAC, refrigeration unit, lighting, and entry system. The manufacturing, in the system of manufacturing, the SCADA system manages the part inventories for just-in-time manufacturing, regulates and industrial automation and robots, and minor process and quality control. The mass transit. The transit authorities uses SCADA to regulate the electricity to subway, trams, and trolley buses, to automate a traffic signal or rail system, or to track and locate the train and buses, and to control the railroad crossing gates. Third, the traffic signal. The SCADA regulates the traffic signal, control traffic flow, and detect out the order signal. And you can imagine this is a very short list, barely hints at all the potential application for the SCADA system. SCADA is used in nearly every industry and public infrastructure project anywhere where the automation increases efficiency. What's more, these examples don't show how deep and complex SCADA data can be. In every industry, manager needs to control the multiple factors and the interaction between those factors. The SCADA system provides the sensing capabilities and computational power to track everything that's relevant to your operation. How does this SCADA system work? A SCADA system performs the four operations, that is data acquisition, network data communication, then data presentation and control. These functions are performed by four kinds of the SCADA's components. The sensor, that is either digital or analog, and control relays that directly interface with the management system. Second, the remote telemetry with, that is RTU. These are the small computerized units developed in the field at a specific sites and locations. RTU serve as a local connection point for gathering the report from sensor and delivering the command to the control relay. SCADA master unit. These are larger computer consoles that serve as the central processor for the SCADA system. Master unit provides a human interface to the system and automatically regulates the managed system in response to sensor input. The communication network that connects the SCADA master unit to the RTU in the field. The world's simplest SCADA system. The simplest possible SCADA system would be a single circuit that notifies you of one event. Imagine a fabrication machine that produces the widgets. Every time this machine finishes a widget, it activates a switch. The switch turns on a light on a panel which tells a human operator that a widget has been completed. Obviously, a real SCADA system does more than this simple model, but the principle is the same. A full-scale SCADA system just monitor more stuff over the greater distance. Let's look at what is added to our simple model to create a full-scale SCADA system. Thank you.